Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome to Windows in Anime Tech. We'll be talking about releasing Windows 11 build 20,000.21.21 to the preview release channel. So release preview channel is the channel where it's one before the official Windows 11 release. So it's after beta comes the release preview. So release preview is basically the last final version of Windows 11 preview where you actually get an update as preparation to be released to the stable version of Windows 11. For this is just information for those who doesn't know about release preview. So basically, there is the most basic version would be the channel camera with a new channel, and then comes the develop, and then comes the beta, then comes release preview, and then comes the official Windows 11 stable version. So in this feature, you can add more multiple new features, implement the Windows Defender endpoint. This is for those who don't know about this. Is actually a paid version of Windows Defender. And this update also input several simplified for Chinese fonts and a Microsoft Plain Input Microsoft Method Editor, also known as the IME. So we can also support the GB 18030 and you can also enter display from confidence conference level 1 to level 2 using the addition to the some Microsoft features, I guess. And the update also affect the default terminal settings also that the Windows decide as a default option. This update also addresses the issue that affect the navigator. This update contains a lot of fixes and updates, so you can see a series of updates that are released by Microsoft that include an ability to affect certain application in the IDP object store. They also make an update assumed for the user self folder features. Now you can also set and maintain the correct default permission in this directory path. If the permission is wrong, start menu search in Azure Active Directory, Azure AD authentication will fail. So the update addresses the issue that affect those who enable the smart card is difficult for the interactive logon account option. Thanks for watching Innovatech. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, and have a nice day. If you did not subscribe to Innovatech, please consider subscribing to Innovatech and have a nice day.